Hi, and welcome to this new episode of Gifts Genuine Insights from That Story. Today's story is of 35-year-old Aditya, who runs his own old age home with a lot of love and passion. He has been awarded many times for the amazing and selfless work. One day, while having dinner, Adi's mother starts talking about his marriage. He, being a witty person by nature and a loving son, turns the conversation into a joke and clearly says that marriage and Aditya are two sides of a coin and walks away. Back in his room, while he opens the book, he picks up the photograph of a girl which he is using as a bookmark. His eyes become moist and his mind takes him down the memory lane many years back. After clearing his computer science engineering with flying colors, Aditya had secured a very high paying job in a multinational company in the US. He was coming back to India after more than 4 years in a foreign country. He was obviously excited. When Aditya learns that his flight is delayed by 5 hours, he decides to sit back, relax, and starts browsing Facebook. As he was looking at updates from friends, he searches for the profile of Neha, his childhood friend and the closest pal he had back in India. Aditya always loved Neha more than anyone but could never gather enough strength to express his feelings. Neha's parents, who were also family friends of Aditya, were looking for a boy for her marriage. That's why Aditya had signed the contract with this company to work in the US. He did not want to see her go away. When Adi saw the same old profile picture of Neha in FB, he thought to himself, she is still the same. Neha was unlike all girls of her age, very matured and caring. She never bothered to take care of her looks and how she appears from outside. After her graduation, she worked for an NGO which took care of old people. It was like her second home. Aditya finally thought to himself that he should give her a call and check about her well-being. Not sure whether she would still be having the same number, he dials Neha. Before even he could hear the phone ring, he hears a sweet and excited voice from the other side. It's Neha. Hey Adi, how are you doing? It's been such a long time. I was just waiting for your call. Why didn't you call me? Adi laughs and says that he always updates his FB profile and has even updated his phone number there. He asks Neha why didn't she try calling him. After a bit of initial fight, Adi asks about her family and husband. Neha asks him who told him that she is married. Aditya is both shocked and happy to hear this. Adi says, your parents were searching for a match, weren't they? For which Neha just replies saying it's a big story. They continue talking for another 20 minutes. Aditya tells how happy he is to come back to India and meet her finally. Neha replies by saying that she cannot express her gratitude to Adi for calling her and cuts the call, wishing him all the very best in life. Aditya was never as elated and excited like this before. New dreams starts to blossom in his mind. He uses his rest of the time to shop for Neha and boards the flight to India.
जिंदगी के सारे लम्हों के बीच भी में था थोड़ी सी अधूरा जिंदगी के सारे लम्हों के बीच भी में था थोड़ी सी अधूरा तुम्हारी आवाज की आस से बन गया आज पूरा सारे लम्हों के बीच भी में था थोड़ी सी अधूरा।
Aditya lands in Bangalore at around 2 and reaches his home by 4 am. Even with the jet lag, he just couldn't get sleep because of excitement to meet Neha. He wakes up by 9, gets ready with the gift to go to Neha's house, which is not very far from his. Adi's mother asks him to have breakfast and starts talking to him. When she learns that her son is going to meet Neha, she gets a little uncomfortable. When Adi asks her the reason, she, with a lot of hesitation, starts telling him what happened a few years back. Adi, just a day after you left to US, Neha's father had invited a friend and his son to their place. He wanted Neha to meet the boy. Neha never wanted to get married. None of us know the reason. She angrily took her scooty and left for the NGO, and on the way, she met with an accident. She died on the spot, my son. We lost Neha. I am really sorry, Adi, that we did not tell you about this earlier. You were away and we did not want you to go through the pain of losing a good friend. Aditya initially laughed at what his mother told. As he was walking towards his room, he called Neha and got a message that the number is not available. Few things which happened during the last few hours in US came to his mind. The phone never rang. Neha was telling him how she badly wanted to talk to Aditya. The way she expressed her love to him and how she talked as if it was the last time she will speak to him. Aditya could not control the tears flowing from his eyes.
पाकर प्यार तेरा क्या मैं हुआ आज पूरा, या फिर तुझे खोकर रह गया फिर से अधूरा।
Hope you enjoyed this story. Let us now look at the top 3 genuine insights from that story. 1. Expressing one's thoughts is very important, especially in relationships. 2. Change is the only constant in life. Be prepared to embrace the changes. 3. Make something which ignites your passion, your profession. You will surely be successful. Take care and see you in the next episode.